Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel for those of you who don't know me, and it is super early. This morning, Stray Kids came back with their comeback No Easy, and I just had to see the music video. So I woke up, I'm ready to do this. I'm not gonna pause through the first time. I'm just so excited. This is gonna be a good experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment below what I should react to next or who I should react to next. Without further ado, it's time for Stray Kids. Let's get it. Ooh, we're starting with animations. Oh yeah, Stronger. It's like Avatar. Oh, I can't wait to read these lyrics. Hello, Benjamin. Oh, this is sick. Anyone else see that? Okay. Oh yeah, Thunderous. Look at those animations. You are so kind, Felix. Oh, that was a cool transition. I love these lyrics. He looks so good with that long hair. Love a little lamp. Oh my god, you guys see him? These sick transitions. Give me that voice. Oh, they look so good. I like the red outfits. Hey, that little playback. I'm obsessed. I love that line. You know we're rewatching this. Gotta end it with Mr. Felix right there. Wow. Thunderous, Stray Kids. Stray Kids everywhere around the world. He makes Stray Kids stay. So cute. I love how they always end with that. Is there anything else? No. Okay. We going back. We starting over. What are my first initial thoughts? This song is clearly another one pointed to the haters who talk way too much. I think, listen, I'm sorry that I don't have this perfect image enough for you not to be running your mouth, but I'm still gonna keep doing what I do. Just accept it. Or don't. We don't really care. Thunderous. That was good. Felix, that long blonde hair really does something to you. Okay, watching it again. I'm obsessed with the animation art style. It's really pretty. Can we just get right into that? Oh, so they call me the one shouting. Oh. I like how he's shouting. Shouting bad, I choose my own path. Attitude tough, like a runaway train going recklessly down the track. And I know they write their lines. First hurricane freaking umbrellas flip inside out. The fault finder's last day. Haha, serves them right. I love that line. The fault finder's last day. Haha, serves them right. So it's like the person who's looking for problems in everything. It's their last day. Ha, serves them right, because all they do is look for issues. They shouldn't be allowed to do that because it doesn't get you anywhere if you're just constantly trying to find problems. But I love the serves them right, because that's a little homage to God's menu. Do, you know? Look at that fan. Go back, woodcutter. There's nothing to cut here. No way I'll lower my ego. Villains make my blood boil and circulate throughout my body. Yes, they hate the haters. Villainous. All eyes on the gathering of famous Thunderous ones. It's them. Music holes that I know will burn forever. You guys see what I just saw? Okay. Look at Felix with the blonde and the black undercut. Man. We got Bang Chan in the center, who was just exposing himself before, and we got Sir Hyunjin over there. Power. They're how they're looking at it. Sick. So sick. Beautiful. I can just listen to him say, man, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty, on repeat. Somebody please make that happen. Rumble, Snap, Crack, Thunder, Barabam. I like this part too. See, they're just shaking up the ground, riding on the clouds, wearing like the wind. See, like Avatar. Oh, love the voice too. Love his voice. Everyone's talking nonsense. Tired of this and that. Shaking my head. You talk too much meddling. I don't know this guy with his blonde hair, but he is really nice. Cute. Nice voice. Let me know what his name is, maybe. Why you mad? Why you sad? Why you ticking me off? At first it seems like it's a little bit sincere. Well, not really with the why you mad. It's like, really? What is bothering you? But the why you sad? And it's like, why you ticking me off? Is this even worth my time or energy? You're wasting your energy on unimportant issues, things that don't require so much upsetness. Dude, come close against my show. I love his orange hair. Show me side. Love the choreography with all of them together like that. Can't take my eyes off of Felix. Oh, look at him. I'm dirty. Oh, and I love the movements. Get out of the way. They don't come every day. Period. Which is also because it's their comeback. They just came back today. I was born crooked. My voice can go against 100. If I don't like something, I'll take it back until I'm satisfied. Final warning, you death throats. Look at that. I love that part. So cool. Sorry, I'm dirty. Oh my gosh. Hey, those things in the back remind me a little bit of Idol. That I want to repeat. Keep on talking, we don't play by the rules. This is such a great going back into school anthem. You know? Like, I don't care about any of those kids. Just leave me alone as I make my thunderous steps through the hallway. Don't come my way, please. Do not talk to me. But anyway, that was a really amazing music video. I definitely want to check out the rest of the album. If I'm going to do it on my own time or if I'm going to do it here, see. But Stray Kids all around the world, you crushed it. You did the thing. Alright guys, well, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I can't believe I got up so early, but I was called to make this video, so here we are. I'll see you guys later. Bye.